Hey everyone, this is an amazing little storm that happened a couple days ago down in southern Arizona, south of Casa Grande. A lot of shear in the atmosphere. Saw the storm kind of exploding. Visually, I could see it was a left split. Saw the top just erupt, and then boom, the hail core went nuts on radar. Pulled up to this overlook, and insane wall clouds happening. Went tornado warned. Partially because of probably my reports and some other chasers sending in pictures of the wall cloud and stuff. So very, very cool to be on this. Hope you enjoy it. It's a rare sight in Arizona. It seemed really close to dropping an official tornado. There were some ground swirls, but it was in the middle of nowhere, so it's hard to see. Hope you enjoy this. Please like, subscribe, and if you see the Patreon link below, come on over. Lots of fun perks over there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Incredible storm here. I call it a supercell. Seems like it's a left split. Obviously the structure's on the west side, not the east side as you would expect. Had a really amazing wall cloud earlier. Almost looked like a giant freaking funnel coming down, but you know, it might have been briefly spinning pretty good, and then now it looks kind of outflowy. I see some dust over there, probably some RFD. But this is gorgeous looking. I mean, if I was right there, look at that structure up in there. That's great. I'm definitely seeing dust on the ground underneath the wall cloud. Could be a tornado right there, because the dust, outflow dust, is over there. I mean, that's right underneath it. If not, it's just rotating under the ground, or it's just more dust getting kicked up. But either way, we're time-lapsing it. Looks like a lot of dust now, so that could have been downflow, a gust front, or it could just be spinning there. It's kind of hard to tell. This thing is just not moving, but I mean, that's very suspicious. So we had dust on the ground. We still do right now, right under the wall cloud. It's really hard to tell if that thing is spinning from this far, or if it's, you know, outflow. Kind of looked like it was falling apart a little bit, but I don't know. Now the dust is looking even better. This thing is majestic. Look at this thing. Man, that stuff is reaching up. That's really suspicious right there. Look at that. I don't think that's rain. That is dust that just got lofted. Wow. Look at this thing. Look at that collar. It's really funny. One of the officers from Tohono O'odham came up to me and said I wasn't allowed to take pictures here, which I've been here a lot. And they've told me before it's okay if I'm just off the road. I told him I was reporting back to the National Weather Service, because I'm pretty sure I saw like maybe dust on the ground, this big wall cloud, and he's like, okay, if you're reporting to them, that's cool. And he let me go, and then sure enough, they tornado warned it. So at least I didn't look like a freaking idiot. But this thing is nuts. Look at the structure on this storm.